Let me show you how to upload files that you download. So first we'll get the file. So here's our toy block slide. If we click the picture, it will actually take us to the file. It'll give us an option and it'll say, do you want to download those? No preview available, download. So we'll download them. And as soon as we do, it downloads them to our computer. Now, some people will get in the habit of double clicking that, which is normal, I understand. But what we should do, to properly do, is we should upload this file to our Fusion account. So let's take a look at that. This is what Fusion looks like. So I'm going to go to our All Projects and I'll say New Project. This is essentially a folder for now. So I'm going to say Toy Blocks. So that's going to be my project name. It will alphabetize eventually. So you can see it already kind of through because T is toward the end. I'll double click to get in that project and I'm going to choose Upload right here, Upload. As soon as I click that, I'll be able to select my files, find the blocks that I need, and choose Upload. You'll see over here that it is uploading that file set. As soon as it is done, you'll get all kinds of notifications, like over here it says Upload Complete, and then you'll actually get a little preview of it. When that happens, you can go ahead and double click it and it will open.